Hey y'all, I am very excited to give you guys a grand tour on one of our most popular townhome floor plans here in eTown called the Elrod. If you're new here, my name is Galbraith. I am a sales consultant with David Weekley here in Kettering at eTown in Jacksonville, Florida. This floor plan has to be one of my favorite floor plans that we have in this community for many reasons, but the number one reason for me personally has to be all of the natural light in this home. This is an end-unit townhome, so there are tons and tons of windows, actually 19 windows to be exact. So to give you a little overview on this townhome, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhome with a loft space, 1,926 square feet. You have a 2-car garage, a covered lanai, LVP flooring throughout all the main areas, gourmet kitchens, and a fenced-in backyard. All right, so I'm gonna give you the grand tour and we are going to start from the front of the house. Alrighty, so as you enter the home, you have a nice wide entryway here, some windows here to add natural light. To the right, we have your 2-car garage entry. And the cool thing about this floor plan is over here, we are really big on storage at David Weekley, so we have built in an extra little storage space within this 2-car garage. Have these 2 windows to add some natural light. Right here we have a coat closet, great for storage. The staircase is to your right, and then we are here in the main living area. So beautiful. This entire back wall is all windows. Before we get into that, we do have a half bathroom down here for guests. So if you like to host a lot and have people over, then they do not have to go upstairs to use the restroom. So for the kitchen area, you can see you have plenty of outlets. You have 4 outlets there, 1 here, a whole nother set on this side. And one thing that David Weekley does is in the outlets in our backsplashes, we actually turn them to the side and put them lower like you see here. That way when you're plugging in appliances, you don't have to have the cords sticking all the way up and just kind of ruining the aesthetics of such a pretty kitchen. So you have the gas cooktop, the pots and pans drawers, the built-in microwave and oven combo. We have GE profile appliances. We do put hardware on all of our cabinetry here. Have a good sized pantry. And then this would be your view. So if you're standing here doing dishes, you have a view of the TV, the living room, the dining areas. So it's just really great for hosting friends and family, just being able to be in conversation no matter where you are in the home. And as you can see here, we have tons and tons of windows. So even these 2 windows right here just add the natural light with still giving you that privacy. It would be a lot cheaper for David Weekley to just make that entire wall drywall. Same thing with those windows over there. But we really do try to pay attention to detail and what would be most important to the buyer actually living in the home. So then going outside, like I mentioned, you do have fenced in yards. So this one being on the end has a much bigger yard as well. This particular one backs up to the park, but we have several different home sites in the community. All right, we are now standing at the top of the stairs on the 2nd floor. So when you come up from the staircase, you have a wide walkway here. To the right is your AC closet. Then you have this pretty nice large loft space. So this could be good for a home office or homework area, playroom, game area. To the right, you have your nice, huge owner's retreat. So one thing that we do include in every townhome here are these tray ceilings, which just make it feel way more grand. So here's another view, so plenty of room for a king-size bed, nice big dresser and nightstands. And And then this leads into your owner's suite. So you have this area here, which would be good for a vanity or putting your laundry baskets over here, your hampers. You do have a walk-in shower, double vanity, and then a huge walk-in closet. All right, so then heading out of the owner's retreat, on the other side of the home, you have the 2 other bedrooms. You also have a full laundry room in here. This one we put cabinets in above. You can see 2 nice big windows in here. And then the other room is also a pretty good size. Good to fit a queen bed in here, 2 nightstands, could be a home office or a nursery or full-on bedroom. And then these 2 bedrooms would share this bathroom here. And a lot of our homeowners like the fact that this is more of a split bedroom floor plan where the owner's retreat is on one side and then the 2 other bedrooms are over on the other side. Alrighty, that wraps it up for the tour of our Elrod floor plan. As always, I am here to be a resource for you, so I'm going to leave my contact information here on the screen if you have any questions about building with David Weekley or moving to the villas at Kettering at eTown. Even feel free to stop by one of our models and ask for me, Ella. I would love to show you around the community and what available options we have at that time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!